In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automatic collection in Shopify. Automatic collections are a great way to organize your products without having to sort everything by hand. Once you set your conditions, Shopify will automatically add any matching products to that collection for you. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. From the main admin home screen, look to the left-hand side and click on Products. This is where all of your items, categories, and collections are managed. Under Products, select Collections. Here you'll see any collections you've already created. To make a new one, click on the Add Collection button. This opens the Collection Setup page. At the top, type in the name of your collection, and then add a description just below it. The name should be clear and easy for customers to understand, and the description can explain what kind of products they'll find in this collection. Next, scroll down to the section called Collection Type. Here you'll see options for how products are added. Choose the option that allows products to be added automatically based on conditions. This is what makes it an automatic collection, so Shopify can keep it updated for you. In the Conditions section, click on the first dropdown and choose what you want Shopify to filter by. In this example, we'll use price, but you could also use things like product title, vendor, or tag. Then, in the next dropdown, choose is less than. In the box to the right, enter the amount you want to use as the cutoff. For example, if you type in 50, then any product with a price less than 50 will be added to this collection automatically. Now scroll down to the search engine listing section. Click the little pen icon to edit this. This is where you set what shows up on Google and other search engines. Enter a clear page title for your collection and a short, compelling description that includes relevant keywords, so people can find it more easily when they search. Before you finish, scroll back up to the right-hand side near the top and click on Add Image. Choose the image you want to represent this collection, then click Done. A strong image helps your collection stand out on your storefront. When everything looks good, go ahead and click Save. Shopify will now start pulling products into this collection automatically, based on the conditions you set.